How to view the referral code in GCash. Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can easily find your referral code in GCash. So the first thing you need to know here is that GCash does not actually provide a specific code. Instead, you'll get a referral link which you can then provide to your friends and family so that both of you get a certain amount of reward. So for that, what you can do is open up your GCash first, find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then what you can do is just go ahead and find this option called Refer Friends. All you have to do is just go ahead and tap on it. And once you have done that, you will get this page where you can easily refer your friends. So you basically have to go ahead and tap on the share QR code, which will then lead you to the referral link, or click on the more option. You can directly send it to Messenger or SMS as well. So click on more option there, you'll get a pop-up to copy the referral link, which you can then share with your people. That is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.